With the beginning of Unlock 1, all of us have resumed back to our semi-normal lives. But maintaining safety to reduce the spread is still in our hand. Keeping this in mind, Microtek presents FRT Pro, a non-contact forehead temperature measurement plus facial recognition plus attendance management system certified by CE, ROHS and FCC. It comes in a slim, beautiful package with a user manual and FRT Pro unit. It acts like an initial shield aiding to the safety of yours and others, and can easily be installed on the walls of offices, schools, colleges, malls, hotels, hospitals or any workplace area. To enhance the safety, it also detects whether a person is wearing safety mask or not.
Wear your mask.
Without which, the device rejects his entry.
Access granted.
FRT Pro quickly detects the temperature,
High temperature.
and denies the entry of any abnormalities through it.
Access denied.
With 10,000 face library capacity and 1 million user record database, Microtek FRT Pro has other useful features such as most wide-angle pose acceptance, speedy recognition, touchless for better hygiene, high proactive AI facial recognition, cloud data storage, Wi-Fi connectivity. Microtek FRT Pro works on face algorithm principle. So buy now and ensure the safety of yours and others.